number 6. Number 6 says Nick made a list of his monthly expenses. Oh, remember, expenses is money going out. So we have utilities, $650, rent, $785, entertainment, $150, and the other. Nick's net income for the month is $1,810. How much does he have for other expenses? This sounds to me a lot like the problems that we did last week during number talk, where we did multiple things to get the answer. So I'm thinking to myself, in order to find out what is left for other expenses, I'm going to have to first think about what he spent. And so what I would need to do first is I would need to put together all of the amount that he spent. Then I would need to subtract that from his net income to be able to find what would be left over. I think for this question it would be helpful if I made a quick window pane and I did some estimating, because estimating would help me rule out some crazy answers. Here's what I know. We're trying to find the other expense. Blank is left. Going to make that short and sweet. I'm going to use the information in my table, and this is where I'm going to put my estimate. I have $650, which I might as well say is $700. I have $785, which I might as well say is $800. And I have $150, which I can bump to $200. So right now, it looks like I'm spending about $1,700. This would be my spending estimate. If I have only $1,810, or if I rounded that to about $1,800, and I know I'm spending $1,700, then I would only be getting a little bit left for the other expenses. So I'm going to look at my totals right now, and I see 3 answer choices that would not even be reasonable. But I always want to follow up and make sure that I haven't made any mistakes. So boys and girls, what I expect you to do is to find an exact total. Mrs. Cartwright and I will be looking for that. And then I want you to tell me what is left. What is left over? And you should be using that action. Okay? Happy solving.